Bruh, I ain't gonna even lie, bro. I'm stressing better than the mud, man. If you ain't know, I scalp. Damn! You feel me? I scalp. If you ain't seen that video, man, y'all can go check that out. But in this video right here, man, I'm finna tell you a couple things you need to know after you scalp. If you plan on scalping, man, hey, stay tuned for the video.
They wanna ride my way. Now they blow it, I got shades. They wanna see me grow. They hate on low. They hate on low. They hate on low. Yeah.
What's good, notification gang? It's your boy, SwaggDrizzle, man. Hey, look, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about how to get waves, man, I just recently scalped, so I'm gonna be telling y'all week by week, you know what I'm saying, man? Hey, week by week, how to get waves, you feel me? You gonna see it like first-hand experience, man. I never showed this experience before, you feel me? So, hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video, man. About to jump right into it. Alright, man, look, first thing you need to know after you scalp is, let me roll this. Don't add me while I got this big old shirt on, man. Don't even add me. Then when I used to be fat. But yeah, man, the first thing you need to know after scalping, bro, is a healthy scalp equal healthy waves. You still want to weekly wash your hair, condition your hair, you feel me, deconditioner, hot oil treatments, whatever, man. You still want to apply oil to your hair, keep your scalp moisturized, man. You feel me? So, healthy scalp, healthy waves, simple. After you get your scalp legit, you feel me, you make sure your scalp moisturized and everything. You want to identify your crown, man, you feel me? This the time to really find your crown. And that's usually gonna be the area people say a bald spot. You feel me? It really ain't no bald spot. That's your crown, you feel me? You know when you're a baby, you got that soft spot. That soft spot gonna be your crown, you feel me? So yeah, you wanna find that baby soft spot, you feel me? Soft spot, baby head.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
That where your hair start at right up and grow out, you feel me? Find your crown, man. Hey, this one right here is another critical one. But a lot of people be skipping it because, I don't know why, you feel me? But don't wait till your hair grow back and then want to practice your angles, bro. Get you a soft brush. I prefer a blonde bristle brush, you feel me? That's usually gonna be the softest brush you can find, you feel me? Yeah, get you a soft blonde bristle brush. If you don't got that, just get you a regular soft brush. Don't apply that much pressure, you feel me? But you wanna practice your angles, bro. Especially if you switching from one pattern to another pattern. Let me be the first to tell you. With me having 5 quarters for so long, bro, brushing regular really feel odd. Me practicing my stroke before my hair start growing back. By the time my hair get to a curl length, I've been caught on to how to brush it. It ain't gotta be no long session, bro. You feel me? Like the faster you learn your angles, the faster the parts can get out of that. You feel me? All right, look. And a bonus tip is do not get a line up after a scalp. Only because if you get a line up right after you scalp, if you'll notice, man, your hairline gonna be right there. So when your waves start coming back in, your waves gonna go over your hairline, you feel me? Your line gonna be a little down, then push back, you feel me? That's the only reason why I don't get no line up. That's why I ain't line myself up when I cut my hair. I ain't trying to get pushed back, you feel me? I'd rather for my hair to grow back, and then I get a line up once the wave come back in, and the dog come back in barking, you feel me? You feel me? Yeah. I like to keep my tutorials short, simple, straight to the point. Do not let me catch you. That's all I gotta say. Do not let me catch you. If I catch you, I'm already giving you the knowledge. I'm gonna take your way to another level. Do not let me catch you, bro. If you enjoyed the video, man, go and drop a like on this video. On the latest wave of doing it, you feel me? So hit the subscribe button if you're new. Stay tuned for the next video. Don't let me catch you, bro. I'm out of here, man.
They wanna ride my way.